Hi dear friend, we have today new topic is the Buddhism, about the Buddhism. Founded by the Buddhism is Gautam Buddha, born at the Siddhartha Gautama. Born in 1563 BC at a Sakya Sastriya family. Left a family at the age of 29, later achieved the enlightenment nirvana under a pipal tree. Famous sites linked with the Buddha, Lumbini, birthplace, Bodh Gaya the enlightenment place, Sarnath the first ceremony, and Kushinagar the death place. Doctrine of Buddhism. Core of the Buddha doctrine is the expression through the Four Noble Truths. Eightfold of the path, also called the middle path, recommended by the Buddha for eliminate human misery. Rather than believing the God, Buddhism focuses on the moral progression and independent of the God. Reject the theory of the transmigration of souls. Important sect of the Buddhism, Hinayan Buddhism, means the lesser vehicles. More in the Orthodox school did not believe in the idol or image worships. Predominantly, Pali language was used. Mahayana Buddhism, greater vehicles. More liberals believe heaviness of the Buddha and the Bodhisattva, believe in the idol image and worship. Predominantly, Sanskrit were used. Tharveda Buddhism, subsect of the Hinayana. Goal is the section of the Kailasa and attainment of Nirvana. Believe in the Vibhijanatva. Teaching analysis, Pali language mostly used. Then the Vajrayana, Tantric Buddhism, subsect of the Mahayana, combined with the Brahmanical rituals and Buddhist philosophy. Main deity was Tara. Classical Tibetan language is used. Other sect is a Satantrika, Samyaka, and Mahasangika and Gokula, etc. Then the Buddhist Council, first council held in the Rajgira 1483, and the royal patronage by Ajatasattu, presided by the Mahakasyapa. Important remark, Vinay Patrika and Sutra Patrika were recruited. Then the second Buddhist council held in the Vesali and the 383 BCE, after 100 years. The royal patronage by the Kalasuka, the president is Sabakami. And the important remark is the first split Buddhism into Mahasangika and Sattva Ninika over the rules of the monastic discipline. Then third Buddhist council in the Partipur at the 250 BC by patronage by the Asoka. President is Mogliputra Tissa. Abhidhamma Patrika were codified. Then the fourth council, Buddhist council, held in the Kashmir in 72 AD. The royal patronage by the Kanishk, and the president is Visumitra. The division between the Hinayana and Mahayana sect. The Buddhist literally text Sutra Patrika, collection of the ceremony of Buddha. Vinay Patrika is the content, rules and monastic life of the monk and nun. Abhidhamma Patrika is content the interpretation and analysis of the Buddhist concept.